Carlton, are you responsible for this?
Calm down.
Are you able to calm down? You tell people say, me a done, me a buy gun, give the man them, and all kind of things. But nobody never dead on the side when you control it. But see body in a bush and you in control, so tell me what I want. And you for tell me what I want. See, but come over here so come see you. So you must know that reach over there, sir. Me? I just come to look on the progress what go on the side. But as far as we can see, I will my progress go on, man. Progress? You call this progress? This going like destruction. Well, Trevor, this is the flight style coming ready. I drank for next. If I were you, I'd do something about the body before it's too late. Oh, you can expect a call. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jesse, what really I want? Oh, you mean the investor them a back? Yo, me don't know nothing about that body there, you know. And somebody a typing something for me, you know. Jason, you can't take back the project now. What me I go find the money that I'm thinking about? Of course, we start spending the money already. Brother, you have to give me at least 3 months to pay back the money. Alright. Trevor. Always punching above your weight class, right? Oh, excuse me. Yes, Jason. Oh, absolutely. Monday is fine. Everything's in place. Oh, I have an extra workman to add in. The last name, Sullivan. Oh, and could you advise him to get rid of the body on the property? Yes, the flies are starting to be a nuisance. I don't want drunk or come no mix. Okay. I know. Nice doing business with you too.
What do you want to check about?
Shelva, big boss.
Shelva, big boss. You worry about them.
So, Trevor, meet your team. Carlton, McAnton, man to man. Alright. You can't do this to me. You must say the man that know me as Mr. Sullivan. Them know me as a contractor. Oh, this I gonna look when them say, me have to answer to them. Trevor, you do this to yourself. Remember, you were running the guest house, where you decide to step back on the construction game and try to cut my legs from under me. Where you expect that to happen? I never mean to it happen so man. Trevor, I'm tired of you on this now. How long am I gonna play the game? You can't beat me. Accept it. So what gonna happen now? Well, nothing have to change. You can still work for me. You have a job on the site if you want it. As what? Well, what you can do? You can rent the wall? No. You can mix mortar? No. You can tile? Can. So what are you qualified for? Watchman? That is it.